Suzuki produces a crossover based on the 17-inch front and rear Grand Tourer gsx-s1000 GT. Will the suspension be replaced with a long stroke type, and will the top and side covers be newly designed? We imagine this will be an SUV with the most powerful engine in its class and a more comfortable ride and seating. Will be released at Eicma 2023, which starts on November 7th. So let's discuss it further. Suzuki Italia has released photos of its exhibition booth at Eicma 2023, the Milan exhibition that will be open to the public on November 7th and 9. There are at least 5 machines visible in the photos, but how many of them will be shown to the public for the first time in the world? One answer we found was the gsx-s1000X. Additionally, other versions of the new gsx-8s are also expected, starting with the naked gsx-s1000. The 998cc straight 4 plus aluminum frame package has been developed into a variety of derivative models, including the neoclassic Katana and the gsx-s1000 GT Tourer. It appears a crossover is being planned as a 4th series after. Suzuki already has 2 models in this displacement range: the V-Twin Adventure V-Strom 1050 and V-Strom 1050DE, which have improved performance on unpaved roads, but the straight 4-powered gsx-s based on this. I think it will be a revealing machine in highway and high-speed cruising. The new model, tentatively named gsx-s1000X, has typical cross-tourer features, such as a suspension with a longer stroke and more comfort than the S1000 GT, a wide handlebar that provides a comfortable riding position, and a raised screen that is highly windproof. That's how it should be.